Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the defense mechanisms of human body. We live in a world today where the unknown supersedes the known. The recent global outbreak of syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2 that we know of has resulted in COVID-19, and this is the testimony for the statement that we made earlier. Therefore, it is critical more than ever to understand our body's natural defense mechanism against such viruses and pathogens. There are several pathogens in the environment traveling through our nose and sinus airway. The natural function of our nose and sinus is to remove these airborne particles and regulate the moisture and temperature of the air that is eventually passed on to our lungs. In particular, the skin or the lining of the nose and sinus forms a barrier which does not allow pathogens like bacteria and viruses to pass through. The presence of small hair or cilia on this lining, along with mucus which is produced by the glands of the lining, aid the process of sweeping these pathogens from the nose. This barrier prevents the entry of pathogens into tissues. This is an integral part of our defense mechanism. Moreover, nitrous oxide, which is produced in the nose and sinus, also significantly contribute to this first line of defense mechanism. However, the quality of this protective lining is often disrupted by either particulate matter such as diesel particles, cigarette smoke, or blocked sinuses which produce suboptimal levels of nitrous oxide, making one susceptible to viral and bacterial attacks. Several studies have shown that humming at a low pitch can help strengthen protective lining. In particular, humming increases nitrous oxide levels by nearly 15 times, reducing the risk of sinusitis, especially in patients who are susceptible to upper airway infections. The excessive production of nitrous oxide in the nose and sinus strengthens the barrier, thus blocking the entry of pathogens into the system. Protecting ourselves from ever-growing body of unknown pathogens around us has become increasingly critical as we try to fight battles against viruses such as COVID-19. Therefore, we should leverage these simple ways available to enhance our ability to fight such viruses.